there was no need for me to travel down to Poland from Portugal with all of my kitchen utensils. So I went to one of the flea markets. Yeah, the market opens every Sunday by 6 a.m. in the morning, and these guys, they have a lot of things over there in the market, and very cheap. I think this pot I bought for around 11 zloty. So I went to Bedronka to grab some, rice and some other cooking materials that I can use to prepare my jollof rice. So guys, let's go to the kitchen. When I get more money, me self go tire, oh. Champagne and the CEO. When I get more money, me self go do the makeup. I actually noticed something about the kitchen space in the dormitory. As you can see, it's electric cooking space, and this is not the same situation over there in Evora, Portugal, where we use gas. So this is something that was quite interesting to me. I don't know if the water system is powered by gas or if it is also powered by electricity, but I think this development is actually cool, and it makes life easy, and reduces the risk of gas explosion. So yeah, this is amazing. I like it. So let's see what we have right here. Just pour some eggs. I bought this egg for 2 points. I can't remember the actual price anymore, but I know that one egg is sold for 1 zloty. So 4 eggs around €1 or maybe 99 point something cents. It's quite equivalent to the amount I buy it over there in Portugal. So guys, I prepared rice yesterday because I've just been eating too much jollof rice. I made stew as well. Yeah, still very fresh. Okay. Yeah, serving the rice, dishing it. I love hot jollof rice. When jollof rice is hot, you can call me, but when it is cold, please don't involve me. Fabo, Oma, loud, the fat, Shayo, Oma, loud, the fat, Fabo, Oma.